morning, Glam team. I am back with another video, and today we are vlogging my day and stuff like that. I have no video idea, so I was like, why not vlog? It's currently like 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock, no, 7 or 8 o'clock. I do have some things I need to do today. So I'm just that makeup. I already brushed my teeth and I took a shower, all that. You already know, that's why I'm already ready. But I did put on my pajama that I got from Victoria's Secret after my shower, so you know, because I thought it was cute and it matched the bonnet. My hair is not done. My hair won't be done until my birthday, but I am gonna put a temporary wig on for the day, or I might just go to the store with a bonnet. I know some people be like, oh, that's ratchet, that's ghetto. Guys, I'm done with the kitchen. As you can see, everything is clean, dishes is washed and everything. I do have some errands to run since I'm finished with that. I do have some errands to run. This dude, you wanna be on camera? What? Look at you. Guys, I'm done. I'm gonna go run some errands. You guys are coming with me. I'm going to Dollar Tree because I have to get some stuff for my party. That's on May 28th, but you gotta get everything early because you never know. And then look at this crackhead. Are you good? You're good? Yes? Are you done? Because you got caught on 4K. You got caught in 4K. You need a comb. Dude. Anyway, guys, like I was saying, we're going to go do some stuff, run some errands. Then we're going to my boyfriend's house. And then I think that's all I got planned today. But yeah, let me go get dressed, and we are gonna go to Dollar Tree while my sister watch my puppy because she the best. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, so I'm done. I just put my hair in a ponytail and I'm ready to go do what I gotta do, and you guys are coming with me and stuff like that. Right now it's like 9 something in the morning, almost 10. Most stores should be open. Dollar Tree should be open. Unless it's open at 11. I gotta check that. But I'm done. So let's go to Dollar Tree, guys. So I'm in the car, guys. Any of the quality changes because I'm on my other phone and stuff like that. We gotta go to Dollar Tree right now. What else? Do not record and drive. So I will see you guys when I get to Dollar Tree. So we made it to Dollar Tree. We got Dollar Tree, y'all. I just have to get some stuff for my birthday. That's all. None less, no more. We got a basket. Some cute stuff. We got some cute sandals, y'all. Ooh. I'm just looking. I need some stuff for my party. Some stuff for my party. Some cute stuff. Okay, so my theme for my birthday is like gold and black and white and stuff like that. So I have to get that. Oh, these gold things are so cute. Do y'all know how many of these I have? A lot. I don't have enough for round tables. I like that gold one though. But I already got it. So guys, I was trying to get, we need some shot glasses. But I need one with multiple because what's the point of they're good on multiple. 24 shot glasses. So yeah, I wish they had the gold shot glasses. That would have been so cute with the theme, but they don't have that. So let's see what I need. Let's go to the party. Let's go actually, because I need some stuff in the party aisle. So cute. Oh, this is so cute. This is happy birthday. Oh, that is so cute. Should I buy that? I'm not a child, right? Yeah, these are the stuff I needed. Look, you see how they had gold last time and I didn't get the gold one. Like, I'm so mad now that I didn't get the gold because now they don't have the gold. They have black. Ugh, they suck. I want gold, not black. Should I get, no, the paint not gonna match. I mean, for the tables, y'all. I feel like this is cute. Only thing I like doing stuff. I don't know. I might have to go somewhere else for those. Or should I have hats on my tables? I don't know. I know I need a lot of balloons because we're doing water balloon fight and stuff like that. This is a mess. Didn't I clean this up? I'll be back, guys. Okay, so I'm back in the car. I couldn't record because I needed my hands, and yeah, so I bought kind of a lot of stuff. I'll show you guys what I got when I get to the crib. Hold on, let me put my seatbelt on. Yeah, I got everything, not everything for my party, but like most stuff already at home. So yeah, we about to drive back home now because Snow is bothering my sister and she's trying to work out and work at the same time and trying to take care of him, and I ain't gonna work with Snow because Snow like to play. So when I get home, I'm gonna show you guys what I got, and then I think that's all I'm done doing today. So yeah, and then I'm going to my boyfriend's house, and yeah, see you guys at the crib. All right, guys, I'm home. I'm gonna show you guys some of the stuff that I got for my birthday party or whatever. The other stuff y'all can't see because it's exclusive, but I got this cardboard. I got 4 of them. I'm gonna do the number balloon, the number cardboard thing that's seen on TikTok when the girls like, oh, nobody can do that, whatever the case was. But I bought it to make the number balloons. I bought these to go in the goodie bags. I bought me a comb. I bought me goodie bags, and I bought me a gold foil to go over the number. And then I bought my boyfriend these, so his gift, because his birthday is like 8-10 days after mine. His birthday is June 6th. So, and I bought these for my car, which smells so good. So yeah, and the rest of the stuff you can't really see it because I can't show you guys because y'all see in my birthday party, period. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Well, thank you guys for coming along with me, seeing my little, my little day. I really don't be doing nothing. That's why I really don't vlog like that. But hope you guys enjoy this little mini vlog, cleaning, running a little errand, which isn't an errand, but it's an errand because But yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at x__d_, and I'll see you guys on another video. Bye, guys.